So, you've decided it's time to upgrade your electrical panel, but how do you know which panel is right for your home? And how do you choose the right professional to install it? The first step is simple. Hire a licensed professional electrician and make sure to ask for their credentials. There's no substitute for experience, and no do-it-yourself or handyman can handle this kind of job. Now let's talk about the type of panel that's best for you. Will you choose an aluminum panel or a copper panel? Here's the key difference. Aluminum melts at around 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, while copper melts at about 2000 degrees. Additionally, aluminum begins to corrode within weeks, while copper can last up to 20 years without full corrosion. Right away, you see a big difference. Copper is not only more durable and can withstand higher temperatures, but it also conducts electricity more efficiently, which means better protection for your home and family. For years, aluminum panels have been the standard because they're cheaper. However, copper is the safer, more durable option that provides long-term reliability. Sadly, many electricians use aluminum panels to cut costs. We only install copper panels because there are no shortcuts when it comes to protecting your home and loved ones. Is copper more expensive? Yes, but it's definitely worth the investment. At Positive Electricians, we exclusively use copper panels for all our electrical panel upgrades. We do not stock or purchase aluminum panels because your safety is our top priority. So, when you call us for a quote, make sure to ask the important questions. What's the panel made of? Is the electrician licensed? Are they using aluminum or copper? And most importantly, are they a professional electrician or someone who isn't qualified? When you choose Positive Electricians, you're choosing safety, quality, and peace of mind. Ready to join the ranks of our satisfied customers? Don't miss out on our exceptional service. Call us at 844-411-0240 or visit us online at www.positiveelectricians.com for more information. If you enjoy the video, please like and share it with your friends and subscribe.